Hi, this is a very new to me, but as a yoga teacher myself, and my name is Nandita Narayan, I attended the webinar which was conducted by Dr. Maria, and I fully enjoyed it just because it was so simple and so detailed. It was really, really, really helpful for me how to save up on your money and how to invest and invest wisely and term insurance and etc etc. I think it's a great learning for anybody, any age group basically. And if you are kind of investing something, invest wisely. And it's a great platform, and I thoroughly loved it. The whole 6 hours which I spent was worth my time, and I do recommend it, and I thank Dr. Maria for it. As a yoga acharya, you have kind of helped me kind of know what to kind of invest on. So thank you so much, and hopefully you grow in your stream. And yeah, I wish you all the best. Thank you.